if you have the previous InvestPro HYIP InvestPro investment script, then I want to show you the latest version, which is version 5.0.1. The HYIP InvestPro Advanced and ICO Investment Wallet and Banking Platform. So this is a very rich script, and it is updated. Other team are added. Before it was only just one team, and now we have I think the extra 2, 3 and 4 team that are added. So so in this tutorial I'm going to be explaining, and I'm going to be teaching you how you can install the script successfully, and we'll check the user dashboard, we'll check the admin dashboard and see the functionality. So now let's go straight to the point. I have uploaded the script to my cPanel. I have unzipped it. Then I have unzipped it. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to delete the zip file. Alright, so I have extracted the script, and then I've unzipped the file. So I'm just going to move my files like this. I'll select all, and I'm going to move them to my main URL. Now I'll move them here like this. Then once I move them, I'm going to delete this project folder because I don't need this project folder. So having done this, the next thing is to visit your site, then InvestPro, and you put a /install in front of it. You put a /install like this. So now we are going to connect our database name, our database host, username and password. We are going to do this, and the next thing we are going to do, just come back to your cPanel and type database. So we are going to create our database. So I'm going to use a database wizard. So I'm going to call this InvestPro, and I'll say next. Then I'll do the same thing here, InvestPro. Then I will auto generate a password. I'll copy the password and I'll click I have used this password, and I'll click on create user. Then I'll come back to this place and I'll drop my password here so that I will not forget it. And I'll come back. Now the next thing is to add all privilege to your database. Make sure you add all privilege to your database and click on make changes. Then once you're done, copy your database username and the the DB name and paste it. Your database host is always localhost. Then once you're done, you click on install. Make sure everything is correct, and once you are done, everything will show this installed successfully. Go to website. Now it will ask you to delete the install folder, but first of all, let's go and visit our website and see how it looks like. Alright, as you can see, we've installed our website and it is up and running. So as it is loading, let's go back and delete our install folder. Just delete the install folder because we don't need it anymore. And as you can see, our website is ready. It's up and running. Alright, as you can see, this is our front end, and the script is successfully installed. So let's just move over to our admin dashboard so that we'll check how the admin dashboard looks like, and the user dashboard. So let's see how the user dashboard looks like. So first of all, let's log into our admin dashboard and see how our admin dashboard looks like. So let's log into the admin dashboard. So alright, this is the admin dashboard for the script. So I will not go through everything, but I will just pick out some things, or so that, like the logo, if you want to make changes to your logo, this is where the logo is. You can make changes to your logo from this place, and the favicon. Alright, this is the KYC in case you want people to be uploading their document after registration upon first login. So if you want to make it active, you just click on, and this is a requirement. You can make edit of it and everything. So this is the ICO. So from here you can put your Bitcoin currency and the Bitcoin currency rate and everything, so you can update it from here. So this is your plan. This is where you manage your plan, like the investment plan. This is where you create the investment plan and everything. The timing, this is where you create the timing, the schedule, like if it is 1 hour or or daily or monthly or weekly or yearly. So this way you set it. You can add any other one you want to add. This way your referral are. Your transaction logs will be here. This way you view all your users. These are all users will appear. And in case someone submit KYC for approval, this way you approve it. Then if you ban a user, this way it will appear. Then gateway, payment gateway, these are the available payment gateway here. So if you want to add your own payment gateway, just click on this add gateway, then you set everything and you know make it available for them. So okay, withdrawal method, this is withdrawal method. You can create your own withdrawal method here, and you can put your processing date here also. So I think this advanced, this upgraded version, I think it is okay. It is okay. So yeah, you have opportunity to make changes to your team. Like I said, they made available other teams. Like the one we just installed is this one. So this one is one that is what is being used before, but they included this too. So you can make do of anyone there. Settings, okay, yeah. From this setting you can change to the site name, the website currency, the color, the support system, and the rest. If you want to add live chat, this way there is live chat here. Then if you want email verification to be appearing there, you just activate it here and you update. So now to set your mailing system, just click on this email, then you click on email control. The system uses SMTP, so you put your email. Now pay attention to this place. From this place should be your official email, either info@yourdomainname.com or support@yourdomainname.com. Then this place is the name of your website. If your website name is Omatech Digitals, it should be Omatech Digitals. Now the host, if you are using Hostigia host is different from Namecheap. Namecheap host is different from Ashura. So if you are using Namecheap, you don't need to pull mail. Just put your domainname.com as your host. But if you are using Hostigia name server is smtp.hostigia.com. Then their port, then you choose your XXL. Now your username is your official email address and the password you created, then you update. Do not make a mistake here. If you make a mistake here, your system will not work fine. So I think this is everything about the site InvestPro version 5.0.1. If you need this script, I will drop my number, our WhatsApp number beneath this video. Then you can contact us for this script, then we'll sell it for you. Like I said, if you found value, if you always found value in our videos, please, I want you to smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that whenever we release next video, you'll be the first person to see it. Thank you.